Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 06 BMW 325Ci, we're going to show you how to take out the cabin air filter. The first spot is it's located in the center of the engine compartment, right below the windshield. You've got three little clips here. You just turn them to the side, they pop right up, they're spring-loaded. Once those are popped up, you just grab this lid and slide it right out. And there you have your cabin air filter. Here we have our new cabin air filter from 1A Auto, and this is the one I took out. It's an aftermarket version. The only difference I can see here is on the back side of this aftermarket version, it's a felt, and this one is got the charcoal paper on both sides, which is a tighter weave and will let less pollen through. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. You've got a tab right here in the bottom, in the middle, I'm sorry, and two tabs on each side. And you'll see that there's a notch right here that tab in the center is going to line up to, and the two side tabs. So just slide it right in easily. Line that center tab up, line this side, and then go line up the other side. Now we're going to install the cover, and that just slides right down in the back there. And you line up these little tabs, push down and twist. Now we can install the seal. Just line it, push it down, bring it all the way around. I'm going to put this one on before I go over there. And then we're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.